Day one.
Welcome back to Dawki Day vlog. This is local Kanya and I'm trying to record our trip to Meghalaya. Before I start, I would like to share a fact about Meghalaya. So Meghalaya is known for its matriarchal society, and it's so much fun to see women doing all kinds of jobs in and around the city. You would find ladies everywhere, which is a different vibe and more comforting. And now we are at the Dawki River. It is known for being the cleanest river, which flows to Bangladesh, and we did witness the border, and this river wasn't that clean because of the monsoons, because of the rains. It became little muddy, but definitely a peaceful boat ride. So that was fun. Let's see where we go next.
Niharika. Hi, say hi. क्या हुआ भैया नौकरी गया हाँ निहारिका डैमी चला रही है इस तरफ घुमा दो इस तरफ खेव खेव Hello. वो फॉर्चूनर है ड्राइवर লাগবে না দিদি ড্রাইভার Welcome to Niharika's YouTube channel.
Yes, local Kanya.
Local Kanya. Please like and subscribe.
मैंने नहीं सिखाया है. Our next stop was Shongpadang village. This village is little further from the Dawki town, and since we bumped into few people in Dawki and decided to tag along with them to this little village in search of the clean river. And we did find the clean river, also the peace we were looking for. So spend some time with us and enjoy the vibe. लु एउटा कहिले झार्छ बापीले त बप्पा हेर्दैछ त
एकजनाको फेरि हालै माछा मर्छ
We came back to Dawki town and saw a little bit of Bangladesh and came back to our stay. And ended our day with little dancing. That's all from Dawki. See you tomorrow. And in the meanwhile, guess which song are we dancing on? Thank you for watching.